They would have never come to my event to begin with. And now they have a 20-minute video of me. Maybe they watch it, maybe they don't. Either way, they see my name and they know I'm truly being an expert on those different topics. I think a lot of times we show up to a coffee meeting and we try and throw up on the realtor to let them know we're the expert. They need to figure it out for themselves. Like, if Shayla would have just on our first call told me how great she is, I would have been really weirded out and thrown off. But instead, we are humans who find our own information and we validate it. I find her on podcasts, I find her on videos. Watch what she's doing and I can see she's the expert. I don't have to ask her if she's the expert. And we need to do the same thing for our realtors. So hosting events and talking for 2 minutes at the beginning and 2 minutes at the end, that's really all you have to do. You put together this top caliber person to show up and teach them. Now they assume that's the caliber that you're playing at.
So what I heard is a couple things.